And this is pork belly?
Yeah, pork belly.
Pork belly.
We call it samchan.
Samchan?
Yeah, in Chinese.
Oh, okay.
Chinese language.
What's this?
Bakut.
Bakut?
Sayur asin.
Alright, made it onto the flight. Not sure if you can hear me. It's pretty loud, but the flight is packed. And it's going to be a while, so it's going to be 15 hours, I believe. 15 hours and a bit. Then 4-hour layover in Hong Kong. And then a 5-hour flight to Jakarta to meet up with Gied. And that will be day one. Day one of this long journey. So currently I'm looking for Alice. I don't know, I can't seem to find Alice on this flight. I don't know, maybe she'll come find me. But okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright? Ciao! Alright guys, dinner is here. This is the steamed chicken with mushrooms and broccoli and baby corn. And it does come with some smoked salmon with marinated apples. Back. What's up guys, made it to Hong Kong. It's currently 6 a.m. and it's really early. Yeah, not much has happened since the flight. It was pretty quick actually. I slept throughout the flight, so I was actually supposedly to study my rescue diver notes, and I never got around to that, and I just slept for 14 hours straight. So I'm feeling good right now. As you can see, I'm just waiting for a gate to be determined. I'm not sure where my gate is, so I'm just randomly sitting and taking a time lapse of the early morning. But my flight is for at 9 o'clock or 8:45ish, and then another 4-hour flight to Jakarta. So should be pretty quick. The flight is not too full since I last checked, so hopefully it stays that way. And I can do some videos on there. But so far so good. The only thing I'm just a little worried is getting into Indonesia, since I was told there was a 30-day limit that you can stay, and I'm staying way past that. I don't have a return date, so yeah. I had to book a quick flight to Singapore. Luckily, it landed one day earlier before the 30-day mark, so hopefully they are okay with that, and I can make my way through Indonesia and the rest of my destinations that I have planned so far. So yeah, that's just a quick update, and we'll chat with you a little bit later. All right, ciao. made it to flight number 2, heading to Jakarta. Right now, just boarding. And, hopefully get there in 5 hours. Good times. A lot of waiting, a lot of flying for the first 2 days. Alright, see ya. So everyone made it to Jakarta. I'm currently waiting for Gied to come pick me up, and then we'll head out. Maybe head out to the hotel first. Book the hotel just to drop my stuff off. I didn't want to be bringing them around, so. And it's freaking hot right now. It's like 33 degrees, and I don't want to walk outside because if I do, I'm gonna sweat like crazy. So, alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, made it. Special guest!
Hello, welcome to Indonesia.
Yes, she picked me up, and we just checked into the hotel, and now we are going for coffee.
Yeah, of course.
She's looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Young and vibrant.
Enjoy Indonesia!
Yes, enjoying it very well. And I thank you very much for all your help.
Welcome. You have to treat me. No, thank you.
No, I'll treat you. That's fine.
Okay, so let's go eat.
Let's go eat. So yeah, we're gonna go get coffee. You said?
Yeah.
Okay, coffee, snack, and then
Night market.
and later on tonight we got night market. Cool. And then my 5 a.m. flight. Not fun.
No.
Not fun. Gotta figure out how to get there.
One, and then they will fry it.
They're fried for you?
Yeah, they fry for you.
Alright.
You can eat it with the sambal.
Samba. Samba is the chili sauce, right?
Yeah, but not the sauce, but the real chili, and then they mix up with the tomato.
Okay. Feels like it's raining.
Huh?
Feels like it's raining.
Really?
Oh.
It's just open. Not yet crowded.
More
The fish.
So we're probably gonna get the skewers at the first stall.
Yeah. You want it?
Yeah, we'll grab that.
Pork?
Intestines,
Skin.
what else?
Sunshine with the tummy.
Tummy, yeah.
We're gonna
Whatever.
put that.
It's all good. Ooh.
Fat.
All fat. We got some ribs here.
You want skin?
Do you eat it?
I eat it.
Okay, yeah. That's fine.
Nice.
Let's get two of everything.
This is the sweet one.
Okay.
You want the sweet one?
Yeah.
Pak, ambilin dong Pak, 2. Ya. The original one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sama sop itu dong. 2. 2 ya.
Two. All right, our food just arrived. Here's our satay skewers.
Yes.
And what we got? We got some skin. This is skin right here. And then this is like
The sweet.
sweet
Yeah.
beef or pork.
Pork. It's
Pork.
all pork.
Oh, it's all pork, right? Okay, so that sweet
This
pork,
is original.
original, And this is pork belly?
Yeah, pork belly.
Pork belly.
We call it samchan.
Samchan?
Yeah, in Chinese.
Oh, okay.
Chinese language. And
This is
bakut,
bakut?
sayur asin.
Oh. Alright. Gotta mix it. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
See. This came from Sumatra.
Sumatra?
There's a like brown sugar there.
Oh, brown sugar?
Yeah. And you eat it with the coconut.
Didn't we have something similar last time at that dessert place?
Where?
I was in Makassar.
No, it's different.
It's different? We are at the indoor market since we're getting bitten by mosquitoes outside. So we resorted back in. And right now we're having dumplings. So it's equivalent to chive dumpling. And then this is a yam dumpling.
Oh, this is choy pan. This is
Oh,
kuchai.
Oh, this is kuchai and that's
Choy pan.
choy pan. Yeah, so that's yam and this is chives. Pretty good so far.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, back in the hotel. So tired right now. I'm like about to fall asleep. I was trying to keep myself up while Gied was driving, and I was just dozing off. We were supposed to go to another night market, but I couldn't make it. I'm just dozing off, and I felt really bad because I knew Gied wanted to go check it out, but the battery's dying. But anyways, she helped me book the taxi for tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. I got to be at the the airport at around before 5. My flight out to Baru, I think that's how you pronounce it, is at 5 a.m. So, and I got 2 flights to catch, and then I get there. So, aiming to be there at 9:45, and then another 3-hour car ride out to the port, and from the port to Derawan is another 3 hours, or two and a half hours to 3 hour. So it's another long travel day. Sorry about that. Battery died, so I just swapped it out. But yeah, like I said, so happy that Gied was able to come out and take me out for a little spin around the town and enjoy some local foods. Anyways, I am gonna shower, pack up, get ready for tomorrow, check my emails for what I need to do when I arrive at Baru, and go from there. I'm knackered and I need to sleep. Again, thank you, Gied. I will see you very soon. Thanks for everything. I'll catch you tomorrow, guys. Bye.